Hello lovely people of the internet. I have a vintage haul for you. It is long overdue. Some of it from some antique stores here in Dijon and others from my beloved Vinted. So let me show you the goodies that I picked up.
What have you got if you haven't got love?
I'm looking a little bit secondhand because I have already filmed today. I did the podcast filming, but I have a new camera. Let me know if you can tell a difference with the quality because I finally upgraded. Yeah, I'm just excited. I've only filmed with the podcast and I really wanted to film a video for my normal channel ASAP. I couldn't wait till next week, so here we are. Anyway, let's get into it. First item, I picked up this 1950s sailor jumper. It is so impossible for you to see on the screen. It's got like the square collar at the back. Obviously I'll put it on and show you guys. A gorgeous woolen piece. Everything that I grab off of Vinted is like next to nothing. There are some pretty pricey things on there as well, but I'm always on the lookout for a bargain. Then I got this 1950s cardigan. Cable knit cardigan in like this buttery yellow color that I thought was really cute. I'm just gonna put it on for you now. I've been wearing the heck out of this because we have a very rainy spring season here at the moment. So you have to excuse me, I'm wearing my sports shorts. I'm in total like slob mode today, but yes, it's very cute. I love it. I just love like the slightly short sleeves, the big collar that you can like stand up on its own if you want to, and then the very boxy cut because I usually wear quite fitted things, so love. Also from Vinted, I picked up this little 1950s number. I love that it's got these sort of like ribbed effect on these collar, obviously this is a collar, cuffs, and if I hold it up really close you can see it is like a diamond pattern all over, almost like a harlequin. Very sweet. It is way too big for me. I can style it in a way that looks cute, but it's hard to come across vintage pieces that aren't teeny weeny. So instead of hoarding this, I will be selling it onto someone that it actually is designed to fit. I was so excited when I saw these on Vinted. I snagged them. They're little sort of beachy pedal pushers with this adorable candy striped pockets. Look at the cuff. These are an extra small. These are so tiny. Doesn't matter. Like I don't complain about this stuff on Vinted because I mean it's like normal people selling clothing, so I'm not going to be a bitch about it and complain to them or give them a bad rating. But I was just devastated because they are so cute. So yes, if you are teeny weeny, you would have to be at least a size 6 UK to get in these. But if you are and you would like them, hit me up. The last piece from Vinted that I snagged is like a holy grail piece for me that I have been after forever. I'm always looking for vintage hair tools, hair rollers, hair curlers, anything. And I found this baby on Vinted. It is a vintage hair dryer. I've actually yet to plug her in. I did show her on Instagram. Excuse me, I have to undo that. Yes, Bakelite handle. You can smell that it's Bakelite as well. She has an epic smell. She is beautiful. Look at her. Isn't she lovely? And then on the back, look, the vent at the back is star-shaped. And have a look at the Bakelite handle. It's got like a beveled handle. Plug. So beautiful. So I'm looking for a vintage hair curling set, like hot roller set. I have found a bunch of them on Vinted, but none of the sellers have responded to me because the curlers have been listed for like 2 years. So I think they gave up on trying to sell them on there, but hopefully someone responds to me and I can make that video for you guys. The next few things come from a fantastic little antique store that I found. It's actually not an antique store, it's a Brocante, which is basically someone who goes into estates and just bulk buys everything from deceased estates and then sells everything off in their sort of open house warehouse or shop. This is just someone's house, I suppose, that is just full of stuff, and apparently no one buys the clothes. I know so many other people who have like places they go pretty regularly to buy vintage clothing that's like their little secret. I've never had one of those, and now I have one, and I feel like I have been blessed. So the first thing I spotted was this 1950s jacket in a wine red. Isn't she lovely? She's like a speckled wool. It looks very rich on camera. It's a little bit more sort of Pinot Noir colored, but yes, I mean, I'll style her properly one day, but I'll just give you, the look with the shorts and my singlet top. Perfect. But yeah, a little swing jacket. She's very cute. It's obviously starting to get a bit warm to wear this, but yeah, I picked up this one, and in a previous video I showed you guys the cream one that I picked up. Been after them forever, and then within a month I got two, so I felt really lucky. Now this shop also had a ton of vintage dresses. This one was my favorite, but there was nowhere to try anything on. I bought this and two other ones that I'll show you. Of all three, this is the one I wanted to fit me, and it is just like, I just barely can't zip her up. And I could hold on to her until I lose weight, but I'm trying really, like, I have a whole wardrobe of stuff since I put on weight that is waiting for me to be able to fit into it. I don't need to add more stuff that doesn't fit me into my already exploding wardrobe. So once again, somebody else is going to appreciate and wear this beauty that may have been someone's wedding dress possibly. But yes, she's like a very thick, you can see how thick she is, very thick material in this beautiful, slightly grayish beige color. She has her own built-in netted stiff petticoat. She is stunning. Early 60s, I'm gonna say. God, I wish. Now, there were two dresses in this amazing changeable silk taffeta. Look at that. I thought when I was looking at them in the shop that they were faded, but I have since discovered, well, you can tell by looking at the dress, just the way that it is designed. It's very obvious that it's not fading because it's not in the same areas. And I have seen after some research that this ombre effect of changeable taffeta is a thing. It's not faded, it's actually meant to look like this, and it's stunning. Now this, it does actually fit me, and I have made a video in it, and everyone kept telling me how amazing it looks on me, including Val, but it's just not my style. I'm never gonna wear it. I know I'll never wear it. So this one will also be up for sale. And here's the other ombre silk taffeta dress. This was all from the same lady's apartment, and they're all handmade couture. Oh, so beautiful. This, I've got a video of me in this, so I'll show you. This does fit me. I didn't think it suited my skin color, but after making the video, she's so beautiful. Like the cut and shape of her, I will be keeping this one. And she also has like her own built-in petticoating, so she sits like beautifully when you wear her, and the sound, just so rustly and gorgeous. It is stunning. So that is my little haul. It's not a very long video, guys, but I just really wanted to film something on my new camera, and I hadn't shared with you the vintage things I've picked up recently because I had been selling them pretty regularly on my Instagram stories. But honestly, with the podcast, with trying to get my carte de séjour happening, with stuff back in Australia that I have to manage, it's a lot, and I couldn't keep up with also cleaning, steaming, ironing, photographing, posting all of the stuff to go up for sale. So I am still collecting things to sell vintage wise, but it will take a little while before I put them online. But if you've seen something in today's video that you would like to snag, send me a message over on Instagram or send me an email to hello@btownsend.com and we can discuss selling it to you if you like. But yeah, I won't be listing anything at the moment because I just don't have time. I hope you liked the video, guys. If you're into vintage hauls, I have a whole playlist and I recommend this vintage haul here. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye!